In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Brother MFC-J1360DW in case it's not working as it should. Maybe you're experiencing Wi-Fi issues, maybe you're experiencing print problems. No matter what you have has a problem, let me show you how to fix it. So one of the easiest things to try out at first, before going any further, is to go ahead and, where the cable is connected on the side, the power cable, go ahead and plug it. Even if the printer was turned on, disconnect it from the power source and wait around 3 to 5 minutes. This is simply a restart, nothing will get deleted, but since many times it's simply a software issue, it will give the time for the Brother printer to power on again fresh and clear the error by itself. So after 5 minutes, go ahead and connect it back, and usually it powers on by its own once you have connected back. Here we go. If nothing is happening, by the way, just click on the power button over there, but usually this should fix most problems. If your problem is related to the print quality, you can do a print head cleaning or print head alignment. And to do so, press the settings button, go in general setup, maintenance, and over here you have print head cleaning. You'll be able to select which print head you want to clean, so the black or the color one, or all of them, and then you'll be able to select a normal cleaning, a strong cleaning, or the strongest cleaning. If you're still having issues after doing these things, you can do a full factory reset of the printer. And to do so, you simply have to click on the settings button. Okay, well, let me just exit here. Okay, so settings button, go down where you see initial setup, press OK. Go and select reset, and now go all the way where it says all settings, press OK. Keep pressed 2 seconds this right side button and the factory reset will start. Everything will be deleted, and at the end your printer will be like a brand new one. So this is about it. Leave a comment down below if one of these solutions worked. Leave a comment if another solution worked for you that I don't know. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.